We've all been there, knee-deep in a project, sweating bullets, and realizing the tool in your hand is making the job twice as hard. Toss it. Today, we're leveling up. Welcome to Gadget Burst. We've scoured the depths of Amazon to bring you 12 of the absolute coolest, smartest, and most essential tools that will legitimately change the way you work. No gimmicks, just pure, unadulterated efficiency. Let's kick things off with a tape measure that makes traditional tapes look like ancient relics. Meet the RECON T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure. If Tony Stark swung a hammer, this is what he'd keep on his belt. This beast features a razor-sharp OLED display that gives you hyper-accurate, real-time measurements down to a fraction of a millimeter. But it gets better. It actually saves your measurements with the click of a button, meaning you can finally stop writing numbers on the back of your hand and instantly forgetting them. It even has a built-in green laser for perfect alignment. It's an absolute game changer for solo framing or trim work. Next up, we've got the Little Giant Transformer Ladder. You know the struggle, carrying 3 different ladders for one job. The Transformer is the ultimate Swiss Army knife of scaffolding. This thing shifts from a standard A-frame to an extension ladder, a 90-degree wall ladder, or even a staircase setup in seconds flat. Built from rugged, non-conductive fiberglass, it keeps you perfectly safe on the job, and the wide flared legs mean you're locked in with zero wobble. Rounding out our first 3 is the horizontal T-track clamp. If you do any woodworking, this is your new best friend. Simply slide this low-profile beauty into your workbench's T-track, flip the lever, and your workpiece is immobilized. The inline clamping force means it stays completely out of the way of your router or sander. No more maneuvering around bulky C-clamps. Moving right along, let's talk about the chaos on your waistline. We all hate a sagging, disorganized tool rig. The modular tool belt panel fixes that mess instantly. Instead of being stuck with fixed pouches that dump your nails every time you bend over, this panel uses a laser-cut, heavy-duty hook and loop system. You can literally rip off your fastener pouch and slap on your drill holster in 3 seconds flat. It's completely customizable, distributing the weight evenly across your hips so your lower back isn't screaming at you by quitting time. Now let's shrink things down and talk electronics with the Mini TS80P Smart Soldering Iron. Forget dragging a clunky soldering station out to the garage or dealing with thick, annoying cords. The TS80P is a sleek, pocket-sized powerhouse that runs entirely off a standard USB-C power bank. It heats up from room temperature to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit in a blistering 8 seconds. With its integrated OLED screen and smart temperature control, it maintains a flawless heat curve for precision work. Whether you're splicing wires under a car dashboard or fixing a drone out in the field, this tiny iron is an absolute beast.
If you're tackling any kind of roofing, you absolutely need the Slater's Ripper. It sounds like a medieval weapon, and honestly, it works like one. When you're tasked with removing damaged slates without destroying the pristine ones around them, standard pry bars just don't cut it. You slide this long, forged steel blade under the slate, hook the hidden nail, and give it a solid whack on the handle. It shears the nail clean off without cracking a single piece of adjacent slate. It's a hyper-specialized tool, but the moment you need it, it pays for itself 10 times over. Next on the chopping block is the Masterworks 1600. When you don't have the space for a massive permanent workbench, this heavy-duty folding table steps up to the plate. Built by Wolfcraft, it handles a massive load capacity. We're talking well over 250 pounds, while providing a huge MDF work surface that is pre-drilled with a 20mm dog hole grid. It takes less than 30 seconds to unfold, giving you a rock-solid, professional-grade workstation directly on the job site or right in your driveway. Plus, it doubles as an integrated machine table for your circular saw or router. Let's dial in your layout precision with folding saddle squares. Standard squares are great, but when you need to transfer a line across multiple faces of a piece of timber, they can be incredibly clunky and prone to marking errors. These folding saddle squares wrap perfectly around the edge of your lumber, allowing you to strike a continuous, flawless line across two perpendicular surfaces simultaneously. They fold completely flat to slide straight into your apron pocket, but lock dead square when deployed. It's one of those brain-dead simple innovations that makes your joinery incredibly precise. To keep those projects from moving while you work, you need to grab a set of Slipstick bench grippers. These aren't your average bench dogs. These dense, rubberized pucks grip onto literally any surface, wood, metal, concrete, and they hold your workpiece like it's glued down. Need to sand a cabinet door or route an edge without clamping? Just toss 4 of these down, lay your wood on top, and get to work. They elevate your piece just enough to give your tools clearance, and they absolutely will not slip, absorbing vibrations and keeping your finish flawless.
Let's bring out the heavy artillery. If you've ever tried to drill through hardened porcelain or granite, you know you're basically just burning up drill bits. Enter the Marrist RDC45. This isn't just a drill bit, it's a diamond-milled core drill designed specifically to eat through the hardest tiles on planet Earth without requiring water cooling. You lock this into your drill, give it a slight angle to bite into the surface, and it melts through porcelain in seconds flat. A self-cooling wax core keeps the diamonds from frying, meaning you get perfectly round, splinter-free holes every single time. Now say goodbye to terrible scribe lines with the Profiler Plus multifunction scribing tool. Getting a perfect fit against an uneven stone fireplace or a wonky drywall corner is usually a massive headache. The Profiler Plus glides smoothly along the irregular surface, perfectly transferring the exact contour onto your baseboard or laminate flooring. The adjustable pencil holder locks in tight, and the smooth rolling wheels ensure it never jams or jumps. It takes all the guesswork out of finish carpentry, giving you seamless, professional joints on the first try. Finally, save your spine with the Logox Forestry multi-tool. Moving heavy logs or hauling firewood is brutal on the lower back. The Logox is an ergonomic, patented lifter that lets you grab, lift, and move heavy timber without bending completely over. It dramatically reduces the physical strain on your body, multiplying your leverage and keeping your hands out of the dirt and away from spiders. And that wraps up our 12 game-changing Amazon tools. If any of these caught your eye, hit that like button to let the algorithm know we're doing something right, and subscribe to Gadget Burst so you never miss our next massive tool deep dive. Catch you in the next one.